going on, everyone? This is Raphael from SelfMade Profits. And if you're looking for a way to earn some extra income from home, you're looking to make some passive income, you've come to the right place. Today, I'll be going over a simple way that you can earn money from home, listening to the radio, and just basically listen to music, okay? With that being said, guys, please make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, because you definitely want to be notified every time I put out content like this, okay? Now, as far as the gig here, you'll be getting paid listening to music on this website here. The website is called Radio Loyalty. So you'll go to radioloyalty.com and you'll be able to get on the website here. And as you can see, every time that you listen to music on here, you're going to get paid each time. You're going to get points each time. And those points you can redeem for gift cards or a PayPal gift card, which is cash. Okay. So you do get paid for that. There's a lot of music that you can listen to here. A lot of different genres that you can listen to. And you just choose whichever one that you like, whichever one you're interested in. And then you just listen to music and you'll get paid for it. Okay. They do run ads on the music channel here. They run ads on here because they want to make sure you're actually there. You know, you're listening to music, so you want to make sure that you engage with the platform. Okay. Now, every time that you get paid, you can either redeem it right then and there, or you can save it and make it accumulate. Okay, but you don't want to make it accumulate past 365 days because then these points will expire. So you want to make sure you use them within that year. Okay, and you want to make sure that you're actually logging on and listening to music. All right, so it's pretty simple. You do get paid when you refer your friends. You refer your friends, and you get paid 10% of their earnings when they listen to music. You get paid for that also. Okay, so that's pretty neat there. Now, as far as FAQs, you can come here. You can click the FAQ button if you want to learn more about it. Okay, and also you can click the free sign up button to sign up for free. And also you want to click learn. Once you click learn, you're gonna read here. It's gonna say that they have a easy to use universal player used by thousands of stations. So it's pretty easy to use. You can just come here and listen to any music you want. Also, the radio loyalty points for listening to your favorite stations, redeemable for merchandise. Okay, so you can redeem those points. All right, so it's a lot of different stuff. They have their contact information down here if you want to contact them. All right, so in the FAQ, it just basically goes over a couple of stuff like, you know, how to update the account, loyalty points, how they are earned, what actions in the player earn me points. As you can see, listen to viewing programming points are awarded in 10-minute increments after listening or viewing in any one session for at least 10 minutes or more. Okay. Also, you get paid points to share with your friends on social media platforms. Okay. Also, you using apps in the universal player up to 10 users daily. And you know, a couple of different things get you paid. Like some surveys, if you respond to a couple of surveys, you get paid for that also. You respond to a couple of special offers, you get paid for that also. Okay, so it says, do I need to be logged in to earn points? Yes, you must be logged in to earn points. So it's a lot of different questions. You can come in here and take a look at it and be able to make a decision on this. But this is a definitely good little gig here. If you want to, you're not gonna get rich by all means, guys. You're not gonna get rich doing this, but you are gonna make some money. So I mean, that's pretty good there. And it's a win-win situation. We all listen to music every day, and we don't get paid for it. So it's a win-win situation to be able to listen to music and actually get paid for it. Okay. So I definitely wanted to bring this gig here to you guys. Go on and take advantage of it. And also, guys, stay blessed. You want to make sure that you subscribe to the channel, guys. Click that notification bell. If you enjoyed this content, please like it and become self-made today.